President Anuradhapura directed officials to fast-track the restoration process of essential services and damaged infrastructure in Anuradhapura as flood-hit communities in the district continue the slow return to normal life following the recent disaster. The President issued these instructions on Sunday while attending a special coordination committee meeting at the district secretariat to review the ongoing relief, rehabilitation and reconstruction program. He also separately questioned the relevant institutions on progress in developing the district's road network, irrigation systems and communication infrastructure as well.